You're going to fight that?
I'm going to kill that.
He's the biggest man I've ever seen.
Size does not matter when you are flat on your back.
Thank the gods.
In the sight of gods and men, we gather to ascertain the guilt or innocence of this man, Tyrion Lannister. May the mother grant them mercy. May the father give them such justice as they deserve. And may the warrior guide the hand of our champion.
Don't leave me alone in this world.
Never.
Have they told you who I am?
Some dead man.
I am the brother of Elia Martell. And do you know why I've come all the way to this stinking shit pile of a city? For you? I'm going to hear you confess before you die. You raped my sister. You murdered her. You killed her children. Say it now and we can make this quick. Say it. You raped her? You murdered her? You killed her children. You raped her! You murdered her! You killed her children! You killed her children! Wait, are you dying? No, you can't die yet. You haven't confessed. Say it. Say her name. Elia Martell. You raped her. You killed her children. Elia Martell. Who gave you the order? Who gave you the order? Say her name! You raped her! You murdered her! You killed her children! Say it. Say her name. Say it!
Elia Martell. I killed her children. Then I raped her. Then I smashed her head in like this.
The gods have made their will known. Tyrion Lannister, in the name of King Tommen of the House Baratheon, first of his name, you're hereby sentenced to death.
When do I meet with the Carl?
When have you been planning the invasion?
Khal Drogo has promised you a crown. You shall have it.
When?
When their omens favor war.
I piss on Dothraki omens. I've waited 17 years to get my throne back.
A Dothraki wedding without at least 3 deaths is considered a dull affair.